In 1932, Australia declared war. On birds? Let's see what would have happened. Over 20,000 emus invaded farmlands in Western Australia. The farmers couldn't stop them. So, they called in the military with machine guns. It happened in November 1932, near a place called Campion. The targets? Not soldiers, but emus. 2 men, 2 guns, 20,000 birds. What could go wrong? The emus were destroying crops during the Great Depression. But they were fast, scattered in groups and nearly impossible to shoot. Here's the wild part. The army fired over 10,000 rounds and only hit about 1,000 birds. The rest outran the bullets. The birds didn't just survive, they won. To this day, emus still roam freely, untouched, undefeated. In 1932, Australia went to war with birds, and the birds won. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.